So, Dreams, Calvià, Mallorca, Junior Suite, Ocean View, 2715. Let's have a look and see what we got. Wow, the view certainly looks nice anyway. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to have a look out the window anyway. There we go. Let's look at the view first. Can't complain about this view. Right, let's go back inside and see what we have. Well, first thing I know, coffee, caffeine, we need a bit of that. So what do we got? Espresso coffee maker, a few capsules. A nice big TV. A couple of bottles of water. Is there a fridge? Let's see. Nicely decorated bed. Looks like the room must have got a little bit of an overhaul. Good old cupboard tour. Everybody does the cupboard tour, so you might as well get that. Yeah, safe fridge. Yep, anything in it. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there's something in it. Let's see. There we go. Couple of beers, Sprites, Cokes, and a couple of waters. Good quality cupboards, not, but there we go. Oh, a couple of robes, some slippers, very nice. Umbrella, what's that little sign of the umbrella saying? We got you covered. Cheapers, I hope there's no rain whenever I'm here. That is for sure. We'll leave that there for later. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice tidy bathroom. I'm trying not to get myself in the mirror like everybody else does. We'll see. Oh, decent size of a shower. A couple of toiletries. And soaps. That's nicely presented. Nice clean room. Well, should be a very nice strip. Right. So you've had a quick tour of a Ocean View Junior Suite at the Dreams Calvià, Mallorca, and certainly first impressions now seem to be very nice, and hopefully it'll stay that way. So post this video and you can have a look at it if you're thinking of coming here, and at the end of the time here we'll give you an update on what we thought of it.